Good morning, everyone. ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 24 Beam Element Modeling 2 Methods. Okay, let's begin. Open File Directory. Today is May 31. Number 1. Okay. The first method, 3D beam. Continue. The first method. Okay. Okay. Assembly. Okay. Okay, rotation. Rotation. Rotate this. Then first point, second point. Okay. This point. This point. Okay. Rotate. Second point. Okay. Translate. Translate. Click. Done. Okay. Okay. You can linear pattern. Linear pattern. Done. Yes. Okay, enough. Merge. Merge. Delete. Continue. Done. Okay. Only one part. No problem. This is the first method. I will teach you the second method. Second method is very useful. Create 3D solid okay. This create wire point to point. Okay. The first point, second point. Done. Okay. I only show you one side. Only the other side operation is same. Okay. Delete this surface. Shift. Oh no, the line is disappeared. Create again. You need to delete the surface first. First point, second point. The first point, second point. Okay. Delete this surface. The first point, second point. Okay. Delete this surface. First point, second point. Okay. Delete this surface. Done. The first point, Second part. Okay, finished. Delete. Okay. Okay, no problem. The other operation is the same. The two method, the second method is very useful. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is my workshop. My chat. I hope you're happy. See you next time. Bye bye.